Imagine being a modern-day gold miner, but instead of sifting through dirt, you're navigating the digital landscape. That's the reality for our protagonist, Satoshi Nakamoto. In the not-so-distant past, an enigmatic figure, or perhaps a group, going by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, planted the first seed in the fertile soil of the internet. This seed quickly sprouted into a towering tree, its branches reaching into the furthest corners of the digital world. The tree, of course, was Bitcoin, the first of its kind, a cryptocurrency. The story of Satoshi Nakamoto is a tale shrouded in mystery. An entity, neither man nor woman, neither group nor individual. Nakamoto stands as the ingenious architect of Bitcoin. The digital currency was born out of a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, a document that would go down in history as the blueprint for a financial revolution. Nakamoto capitalized on the internet's crypto-friendly environment, a vast, limitless space free from the chains of national regulations and restrictions. This was a world where ideas could flourish without borders, a world that embraced innovation and change. Nakamoto's Bitcoin was not just another digital phenomenon, it was a statement, a testament to the power of decentralization. Bitcoin was the gold rush of the digital age, and Nakamoto was the pioneering prospector, mining not for precious metals, but for a new form of wealth, a new form of freedom. His, or their creation, Bitcoin, was more than a new currency. It was a new way of seeing the world. It was about the power of the individual, the power of decentralization, and the power of a borderless digital economy. Satoshi Nakamoto, a symbol of success in the crypto world, thrived in a decentralized, borderless environment. But what happens when this digital landscape starts to intersect with the physical world? As we delve deeper into this topic, we'll explore the challenges and opportunities that arise when the virtual gold rush of cryptocurrency collides with the tangible, regulated world of nations and their financial systems. Just as gold miners flock to places rich in gold during the gold rush, crypto investors are seeking out crypto-friendly countries. In this digital age, the quest for gold has taken on a different form. Picture this. Instead of miners with pickaxes, we have investors armed with cutting-edge technology. And instead of venturing into perilous mines, they're navigating the complex world of cryptocurrencies. Let's dive into some case studies to illustrate this point. We'll start with Switzerland, a country that's always been known for its financial stability and privacy. It's no surprise that they've embraced the digital gold rush. Cities like Zug and Geneva have become synonymous with crypto innovation, earning the nickname Crypto Valley. The Swiss government has created a conducive environment with favorable regulations, which has attracted a slew of crypto startups and investors. Moreover, they've established a clear tax framework for cryptocurrencies, making it easier for investors to understand their financial obligations. Next, let's shift our focus to Malta, an island nation in the Mediterranean. It's not just the beautiful beaches that are attracting crypto investors to this tiny island. Malta has been dubbed the blockchain island due to its proactive approach towards cryptocurrency regulation. The Maltese government has enacted 3 bills to provide legal certainty to the blockchain industry, a move that has won applause from crypto enthusiasts worldwide. Furthermore, Malta offers attractive tax rates for crypto companies, making it a lucrative destination for crypto investments. Last but not least, we have Singapore, a city-state known for its technological prowess and robust economy. Singapore has emerged as a leading player in the crypto industry, with its government taking a balanced approach towards regulation. They've adopted a wait-and-see approach, allowing the market to develop naturally while stepping in when necessary to protect investors. This, along with the country's tax-friendly policies and supportive crypto community, makes Singapore an appealing destination for crypto investors. These case studies highlight the importance of a supportive environment for the success of crypto investments. By adopting favorable regulations, providing legal certainty, and offering tax benefits, these countries have managed to attract a significant amount of crypto investments. They've understood the potential of this new form of gold and have taken steps to ensure they're part of this digital gold rush. However, it's important to remember that what works for one investor might not work for another. Each of these countries offers unique benefits, and it's up to individual investors to figure out which one suits their needs best. As in any investment, diversification is key. So, it might make sense to spread your investments across different crypto-friendly countries. Closing. As we can see, these countries have created a conducive environment that allows crypto investors to thrive. But what does the future hold? Cryptocurrency, much like the universe, is ever expanding and ever evolving. With it, the landscapes of our crypto-friendly countries will also change. Now, let's take a peek into the future, shall we? One of the most fascinating trends on the horizon is the rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi for short. DeFi is a blockchain-based form of finance that doesn't rely on central financial intermediaries such as banks or brokerages to offer traditional financial instruments. Instead, it utilizes smart contracts on blockchains, the most common being Ethereum. As DeFi continues to gain traction, countries that embrace this trend may find themselves attracting a new wave of crypto investors and entrepreneurs. Next, let's consider the adoption of cryptocurrency by traditional financial institutions. We're already seeing major banks, investment firms, and even insurance companies dip their toes into the crypto pool. This trend is likely to continue and even accelerate in the future. As traditional financial institutions become more comfortable with crypto, it could lead to a greater acceptance and integration of cryptocurrencies into the mainstream financial system. Countries that foster an environment conducive to this integration will likely benefit from an influx of crypto-related businesses and investments. Then there's the potential for government-backed digital currencies, or central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. CBDCs represent a digital form of a country's fiat currency and are backed by the government's central bank. They combine the convenience and security of digital forms like cryptocurrencies with the regulated, reserve-backed money circulation of traditional currencies. As more governments consider the introduction of CBDCs, the line between traditional and digital currencies may blur, further propelling the adoption of crypto. Countries that successfully launch CBDCs could become hotspots for crypto innovation. But let's not forget that with every trend, there are also potential challenges. Regulatory uncertainties, technological hurdles, and market volatility are just a few of the roadblocks that could impact these future trends. Countries that want to remain crypto-friendly will need to navigate these challenges wisely. So what does all this mean for the countries we've mentioned earlier? Well, those that are quick to adapt and evolve with these trends could find themselves leading the global crypto race. They could become the go-to destinations for crypto investors and entrepreneurs, offering a blend of regulatory clarity, technological infrastructure, and a receptive business environment. However, it's also important to remember that the crypto landscape is not a one-size-fits-all. What works for one investor or entrepreneur may not work for another. Therefore, it's often sensible to include a mix of crypto-friendly solutions from different countries in your personal plan. While the future of crypto is exciting, it's also unpredictable. But one thing is certain: the countries that adapt and evolve with these trends will be the ones where crypto investors will flourish. In the world of crypto, the only constant is change. That's a thought to ponder upon as we wrap up our discussion today. We've delved into the crypto gold rush, the comparative study of crypto-friendly nations, and the potential future trends that could shape the crypto landscape. In this ever-evolving world, it's clear that the importance of crypto-friendly environments cannot be overstated. For investors and entrepreneurs alike, the allure of a country or institution that not only tolerates but actively embraces crypto can be a game changer. It's like finding an oasis in a desert, a place where your digital assets are not just allowed but welcomed with open arms. But remember, tolerance today doesn't guarantee tolerance tomorrow. Regulations shift, policies change, and what once was a safe haven can quickly turn into a nightmare. It's a dynamic landscape, and staying informed about these changes isn't just a good idea, it's a necessity. The most crypto-friendly countries, as we've seen, are those that go the extra mile, those that actively court Bitcoin and altcoin business. They're the ones saying, "We want you here." And it's this kind of environment that can make all the difference for crypto investors or entrepreneurs. But let's not forget, one size does not fit all. Different countries offer different opportunities and cater to different needs. So it's often wise to have a diverse portfolio of crypto-friendly solutions. Spread your investments across different nations and you'll be better positioned to weather any storms that may come your way. As we conclude, it's worth noting that the crypto world, much like the real world, is a vast and varied place. It's a world of innovation, a world of freedom, a world of opportunity. And it's up to each one of us to navigate this world to find our place in it. In the end, as we journey through the digital landscape, it's crucial to remember the words of the nomad capitalist. Go where you're treated best. And in the world of crypto, that place is where innovation, freedom, and opportunity converge.